As co-chair, together with Professor Mariano Sanz, I have been asked to give a summary of the workshop from my point of view. As you know, this unique workshop focused on soft tissue around dental implants. This has been and continues to be a very important area of research in implant dentistry. The 3 working groups each had 2 systematic reviews which had been prepared to address key clinical questions in this field. From my perspective, the most relevant clinical implications of the findings of the workshop were firstly, from Group 1, the importance of peri-implant keratinized tissue in maintaining peri-implant health. This has been a controversial issue, but this workshop has provided clarity. The findings that a reduced width of keratinized mucosa is associated with an increased prevalence of peri-implantitis and greater patient discomfort when brushing means that clinicians should routinely assess the width of keratinized mucosa at implants, as well as the patient's ability to clean and the tissue health. And based on this, they should make treatment decisions regarding the need for augmentation. Secondly, while autogenous tissue grafting is considered the standard of care for soft tissue augmentation in terms of thickness and width, soft tissue substitutes of xenogeneic origin have been shown from this workshop to be an alternative to increase the width of keratinized mucosa, while having the advantage of reducing patient morbidity. And thirdly, it was really clear from the experts that the management of buccal soft tissue dehiscence defects with reconstructive approaches is very challenging. The factors found to be associated with buccal soft tissue dehiscences were buccal position of the implant and the presence of thin tissue, while the presence of connective tissue grafts to thicken the tissue had a protective effect. This emphasizes the importance of adequate 3-dimensional planning to prevent these defects, as well as consideration for autogenous grafting in thin tissue phenotypes. The workshop proceedings, including the systematic reviews and consensus reports, have been published in Clinical Oral Implants Research. This is the top international journal in implant dentistry and means that the results will be widely read. And importantly, as the results are published open access, the outcomes of this workshop will be available to all. I am certain the findings of this workshop will be very well received by the research community and also by clinicians who read the journal, which has a strong clinical focus. To bring 3 prominent non-profit organizations together, the DGI, Sepa, and Osteology Foundation, was a wonderful idea. And thanks to a lot of hard work and organization, especially with the challenges of COVID-19, it was a great success. This collaboration was vital in bringing experts together to achieve a common goal, which will no doubt improve patient care. I think this type of collaboration is the way of the future. As editor of Clinical Oral Implants Research, I'm really thrilled to have this important issue published in the journal. I believe it will provide a meaningful and valuable contribution for the dental community, and I hope you will enjoy reading the issue.